This one looks like that Dracaena only, but more sticky type of. It looks a bit different. The stem and all is quite thin, and that flower and that leaf arrangement is like that, and full canopy, and then the seeds also visible. Full seed formation is available. Some small nut type of seeds are there. That is emerging from the middle. So I am not sure whether it's Dracaena or what. Hypolytrum ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲೆ ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ